Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Venkat Varma Chemistry YouTube channel. I am Venkat Varma, your chemistry host and enthusiast. In this session, we are going to learn introduction about atomic structure. The first concept is Dalton's atomic theory. Let's start our session. Dalton's atomic theory and their previous questions. Let's move on. Dalton's atomic theory. Yes. See, the first of all, the word atom is derived from Greek word that is atomio, which means non-divisible. It is a indivisible. Atom is a indivisible particle. The word is atomia. It is from Greek word. Let's start our Dalton's atomic theory. In short, DAT. Yes, he says that atoms cannot created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Dalton says that atoms cannot created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. What it means? See, look at for in balanced chemical equation. For example, I am taking reaction N2 plus H2 gives rise to NH3. I am balanced the equation. See, how many nitrogen? Two nitrogen. So, two ammonias are formed. Yes. See, three hydrogens, nitrogen, three hydrogen to form a 2 moles of ammonia. In this, nitrogen and hydrogen is a reactant, ammonia is a product. During this reaction, the reactants end up the products. So the number of new atoms are, no new atoms are created, no new atoms are destroyed during chemical reaction. The best example is water can produce electricity. Water can produce electricity. Look at for second postulate. Matter consists very small indivisible particles called as atom. He says that matter consists, see this is for example, this is the matter. Matter consists very small indivisible particles. The indivisible particles are called atoms. He says that atoms. Yes, have a look for next point. See, all the atoms of same element have identical properties, shape, size, and mass. Look at for the example. For example, I am taking hydrogen. Yes, hydrogen. See, hydrogen, their atomic number 1, their size, shape, and this their mass also is the same. I'm taking oxygen. Oxygen also has the same mass. Yes, oxygen also same mass and same size. Yes, all the atoms of hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So all hydrogens are having identical properties, same size and mass. So oxygen, oxygen also having the same shape, size and mass. Have a look for next postulate. See, atoms of different element combine together to form a compound. He says that atoms of different elements combine together to form compounds. They combine in fixed ratio, which means a simple whole number ratio such as 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 or 2 is to 1. For example, look at for example. For example, I am taking say formation of water. Formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen. So here I am taking hydrogen and oxygen to form a water. See, to form a water. Yes. See, how many hydrogen? Two hydrogen. How many oxygen? See, one oxygen to form a water molecule. See, two parts of two parts of hydrogen. Yes, two parts of hydrogen. One part of oxygen. One part of oxygen. Yes, to form a two parts of water. Two parts of water. So always the water, the hydrogen and oxygen always contain equal number of hydrogen and oxygen. Water contain equal number of hydrogens and oxygen. So atoms of different element, hydrogen and oxygen, to form a compound water. So two parts of hydrogen, one part of oxygen to form a two parts of water molecule. So hydrogen always, what is the ratio? It is a 2:1 ratio. It contains 2:1 ratio. It is a fixed ratio. It is a fixed ratio. See, have a look for next point. This theory was able to explain law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, and law of multiple proportion. So, the Dalton's theory able to explain law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, and the law of multiple proportion. Yes, have a look for these are the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. See, what are the limitations? Limitations means drawback. Atoms created with the help of artificial radiation is atoms created with the help of artificial radiation. Yes. Now look at for second constant particle of atom. Matter can be atom, molecule, ion. So he says that what the constant particles of matter is atom. So for example, I am taking copper. I am taking this is the copper metal. See, copper metal. It contains copper atoms. Yes, copper, 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 copper. So the constant particles are copper atoms. Yes, I'm taking sodium chloride. So I'm taking sodium chloride. See, so NaCl, NaCl. So NaCl, NaCl means Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl. Here the constant particles are ions. Here the constant particles are ions. I'm taking water. See, look at for the water. See, H2O. Here the constant particles are molecules, water molecules, H2O molecules, yes or no? The constant particle of matter can be atoms, molecule or ions. Yes, go for the third postulate. An atom can divide into subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutron. Yes. So, for example, this is the atom. Atom consists, say, nucleus. Yes, and electron. So, nucleus contain what? Proton and neutron. Atom can divide into subatomic particles like electron. Yes, proton and neutron. Proton and neutron. So, go for the next part. The isotopes of element have the same atomic number but different mass number. For example, I am taking hydrogen. Yes, it is a hydrogen. It is a deuterium. It is a tritium. Hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. See, look at for the number of electrons equal to 1, number of protons equal to 1, number of neutrons equal to 0. Here, number of electrons equal to 1, number of protons equal to 1, number of neutrons equal to 1. So here, number of electrons equal to 1, protons equal to 1, neutrons equal to 2. So hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. Isotopes of element have the same atomic number but different mass number. Here hydrogen is a 1, deuterium is a 2, tritium is a 3. Tritium is a 3. Yes. Have a look for next example. See. Isotope of two elements are the atoms with a different atomic number but same mass number. Same mass number. Have a look for example. For example, I am taking what? Argon. See, argon and calcium. Yes, argon 18. So calcium is a 20. What is the mass number? It is a 40. It is also 40. So look at for the isotopes of two elements are the with a different atomic number but same mass number. Same mass number. Yes, have a look for next one. So the ratio in which occur unit may be fixed integral but may or may not be simple. So what it means, for example, sugar particle. See, in sugar, what is the formula of sugar? See, look at for the see sugar. What is the molecular formula? C12H22O11. Yes, this is a sugar molecular formula. So the ratio of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. What is a? It is a 12. Hydrogen is a 22. Oxygen is a 11. 12 is to 22 is to 11. So which is not simple. Which is not simple ratio. The ratio in which atom unit may fixed or integral, but may not be simple. May not be simple. This is the example for this. Yes. Have a look for. So this is the postulates and drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory. Next, to go for the previous questions, JEE previous question. 2024. See, have a look for question. See, choose the incorrect statement about Dalton's atomic theory. So, incorrect statement. Look at for the incorrect. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in any ratio. All the atoms of given element have identical properties, including identical mass. Yes, it is also right. Matter consists indivisible atom. Yes, it is also right. Chemical reactions involve reorganization of the atom. It is also correct. Which is the incorrect? This is the incorrect. So the option is first one. Option is the first one. Go for next question. Among the following, which is not postulate of Dalton's atomic theory? Which is not postulate of Dalton's atomic theory. So matter is formed indivisible atoms under identical conditions of pressure and temperature. Gases combine and give gaseous products in simple volume ratio. So this is not postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. During chemical reaction, atoms remains conserved and only passed through the rearrangement. Some of atoms having same properties including atomic mass. So it is also postulate. It is also postulate. It is not the second one is not postulate of Dalton's atomic theory. Go for next question. See, according to Dalton's atomic theory, ultimate indivisible unit of matter is what? He says that what? Atoms. Atoms. Yes, these are the previous questions from the Dalton's atomic theory. Yes, I hope like this video. Don't forget to share your friends. Don't forget to give like. If your content is valuable, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.